Samsung has just unveiled its latest budget-friendly offering, the Galaxy Buds 3 FE, and they are making waves in the audio accessory market. But what sets these earbuds apart from the competition? Let's dive into the details. Thomas Ricker, a seasoned tech journalist with 2 decades of experience and the co-founder of The Verge, brings his insights to this exciting launch. He has a keen interest in technology that enhances urban living, e-bikes, and the lifestyle of digital nomads. The new fan edition Galaxy Buds 3 have moved away from the traditional blob shape, opting instead for a sleek, stemmed design that has gained popularity thanks to Apple and is also featured in Samsung's premium Galaxy Buds 3 models released last year. According to Samsung, the Galaxy Buds 3 FE, you can check them out here, https://www.samsung.com, come equipped with superior sound quality, ANC, and an IP54 rating, which means they are resistant to both dust and splashes of water. When it comes to battery life, these earbuds are impressive. With ANC activated, users can enjoy up to 6 hours of continuous listening. And if you turn it off, that time extends to an impressive 8.5 hours. When you factor in the charging case, the total listening time increases significantly to 24 hours with ANC on and 30 hours without it. For those who need to make calls, the Buds 3 FE offer 4 hours of talk time, which can be extended to 18 hours with the help of the charging case. One of the standout features of the Buds 3 FE is their seamless integration with Samsung smartphones, allowing users to tap into Galaxy AI capabilities effortlessly. A simple voice command like "Hey Google" or a long press on the earbuds activates conversation mode with the Gemini or Galaxy AI Interpreter app, making it easier to communicate in different languages. Additional features include support for the Find My Earbuds function, an ambient sound transparency mode that lets you hear your surroundings, and voice isolation technology designed to enhance call clarity even in noisy environments. Plus, the earbuds can automatically switch between Samsung devices, making them incredibly user-friendly. The Galaxy Buds 3 FE will be available in classic black and gray color options, with a starting price of $149.99 when they hit the U.S. market on September 4th. This price point is $50 higher than the launch price of the Galaxy Buds FE 2 years ago, which raises an interesting question. Are consumers willing to pay more for enhanced features? As we explore the world of audio technology, it's clear that Samsung is making a bold statement with the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. But what do you think? Are these new features worth the extra cost? Or do you believe that the previous models offered enough value? Share your thoughts in the comments below.